Hello and welcome back to State News File. Let's look at the temperatures around the country right now. We're going to start over in Vancouver. A high pressure system's affecting there. They get some clouds, but it's pretty warm at 13 degrees. Edmonton, as we move inward here, is sitting at 6, and that high pressure system's affecting them as well. Underneath Regina, another one is affecting both Regina and Winnipeg. Winnipeg is just about the freezing mark, but that's nothing new for this time of year for them. As we head over to the east now, Toronto's the hot spot in Canada, sitting at 16 degrees. They're dealing with more cloud cover. Listen, there's a lot of clouds in Canada today, folks. Speaking of which, Montreal, cloud cover, low pressure system affecting them there. Halifax is dealing with a low pressure system off the coast, but they're actually seeing some sun. They're one of the only cities in Canada right now that are sitting at 15 degrees. There's also a bit of cloud there, but it's, not too bad. And then finally in St. John's, they had a winter storm warning not too long ago, but they've gotten over that. Still not very warm. There's this place, actually there are places throughout the world that are quite warm. They are called the resorts.
Put on your sunscreen in Palm Springs. The sun is shining and it's 24. Barbados is the hot spot today, sitting at 31 degrees. Cancun is looking at 28 degrees. Nice. Honolulu is partly cloudy and sitting at 23 degrees. Cloudy in Orlando today, but that's cool because it's 27. And finally, Las Vegas is sitting at 22.
City now, Calgary. Temperature is 4 degrees. The sun is peeking through, but it is mostly cloudy outside. The wind is gusting a little bit, 19 kilometers an hour to the north. And what's next? It's going to get a little warmer, but there's going to be rain, people, a whole lot of it. We'll get to that in a bit. But first, we're going to look at the province here. Up in Grand Prairie, they're dealing with more clouds, as I mentioned earlier. There's a lot of clouds. We're going to get to that. One place that's not dealing with clouds is Fort McMurray, which is very surprising. It's actually lovely. Sun's out, guns out, if you know what I'm saying. We'll move down to Banff. They're dealing with a bit of sun and clouds, 6 degrees, still nice. I mean, if you're in Banff, you're outside. You don't care if there's a little bit of clouds. Speaking of clouds, here we go. Edmonton, Red Deer, Calgary, Lethbridge, Medicine Hat, all dealing with clouds. Medicine Hat, they're the hot spot in the province right now, sitting at 10. We're going to look at the 5-day forecast now. Tonight it's going to be 14, down to 5, bit of sun and cloud. Tomorrow is when the rain's going to start. We're going to be looking at 8. Then on Sunday, more rain. Guess what's going to happen on Monday? Even more rain. And on Tuesday, more rain. But if the rain's got you down, there are some things to get after the next couple of days, especially the weekend. Check them out in the community calendar.
Don't surrender just because the Dream Police want you to, because I want you to want me. Cheap Trick are performing tonight at the Deerfoot Inn Casino at 9 p.m. Celebrate Earth Day by getting out of the house, turning off your phone, and participating in the Calgary Earth Day Dance and Fire ceremony from 7 to 10 p.m. tonight. Some of Indie Canadian rock's best up-and-comers will be on display at the Palomino Smokehouse tonight at 9 p.m. Laser, AM Static, and Jason Famous, and The Fame will all be performing. Creative entrepreneurs from all levels of experience, Park Forum is an education weekend focused on teaching attendees how to grow and sustain their businesses in the creative industry. Sessions will include art and fashion-specific topics, as well as broader topics valuable to any business owner. Bachelor students of the University of Calgary's Fine Art program proudly present the 6th Annual Push Show from 12 to 6 p.m. at Contemporary Calgary. The Climb and Run for Wilderness is a premier community event celebrating Earth Day, going on Saturday from 7:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m.